I never imagined that toothpaste could do so many things. Check out these 12 amazing tricks. It is very common for most to give a single use to toothpaste and think that it only serves to brush teeth after breakfast, lunch and after dinner. However, toothpaste has a myriad of uses with great benefits that make life easier for us. To corroborate the above, we have for you the 12 most incredible tricks that are possible thanks to the toothpaste that you normally use 3 times a day. Definitely after you know them, in your grocery cart there will always be an extra pasta. Check it out. 1. Extreme cleaning in your shoes. If the platform of your shoes is white and lately look as if you had taken them out of a dump, your best option is to put toothpaste in a small brush and brush hard the platform. To remove the excess, do it with a clean and damp cloth. They will look like new. 2. Stains on your furniture? No more. It is very common that our furniture is marked when we place a glass with cold water. To solve this, all you have to do is sprinkle some pasta on your furniture and with a dry cloth, clean it gently and ready. 3. Spotless headlights. It is very common that the headlights of automobiles are opaque due to a correct cleaning. All you have to do is put a little dough on them and rub it tightly with a rag ready. They will be spectacular. 4. Goodbye to the ink stains on your clothes. Super simple, as you should only rub on the stained part with paste. Let it dry and the next day wash normally and goodbye to stain. 5. Clean the silver. Fleet toothpaste with a brush your silver objects and it will shine as if it were new. You no longer need to resort to a jeweler or spend on products. A little paste will be your salvation. 6. Forget the pimples and pimples. Just put some paste on the affected part at night and let it dry. In the morning, wash your face with a neutral soap. You will notice a big difference. 7. Like new shoes, put toothpaste on your stained shoes and rub them with a rag. Amazing the difference. 8. Nail stains because of the enamel and they are brighter. The toothpaste may even remove the enamel a little, but not in its entirety. However, if you rub your nails with paste after you have removed the enamel, you will be perfect without any stain and are polished. 9. Say goodbye to your carpet stains. Put some dough on a damp sponge and start rubbing the stain on your carpet. To remove the excess, do the same, but with the scouring pad clean and little moist, then let the carpet dry and ready. 10. New iron in sight. You should only rub your iron with a little cloth that has some paste until you get everything that spots our clothes. 11. Dye stains. If you paint, your hair is not the best that comes out and you end up all stained. You should only grease paste and let it dry. Then remove with a damp cloth and ready. 12. Mosquito bites. If you are constantly the food of these annoying insects and your body is full of small hives, get rid of them by putting a little paste in each bite. That will relieve you quickly. Incredible tricks that will make your life easier. What has been your favorite? Before you think about spending on another cleanser, turn to toothpaste. The results will surprise you. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, to share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.